that is what singular subject will always take plural verb, plural subject will always take singular verb based on the tenses itself, and we will discuss that also in the upcoming classes. Reported speech, I did not tell you more about that because you are well versed. I hope you have not forgotten that. We have spent a lot of time on the reported speech, and it will be and this time this reported speech and passive voice, this is more important. Why, I will tell you in the next slide. Then commands and requests, statements, questions, these all based on the reported speech itself. Then coming to the next one, clauses will be there. New concept for you, not especially new, you have studied the parts of speech and all those things. On the basis of the clauses, noun clauses will be there. Noun clauses means in a particular sentence, two clauses will be there, one main clause and subordinate clause or dependent clause. Dependent clause, it may be a noun clause or adverb clause or adjective clause. Here they have given only noun clause, adverb clause or relative clause. And relative, I have told you, relative pronouns, who, which, where, that, they are all the relative pronouns. Adverb, you know it very well, and noun you know it very well, but clauses you have to follow. I will give you videos on that also. Then coming to the determiners, I have spent a lot of times, 4 types of determiners, articles, demonstratives, quantifiers, then possessives. These are all the 4 types. Again, we will sum up that. Prepositions, this is a simple concept. Total 8 concepts they have given. So, sir, what type of questions will be asked in the examination? Direct question, giving one tense, change, no. Not like that. This year, slight changes will be there. See, on the basis of these concepts, if you studied it thoroughly, and then it will be tested in these forms. This year, very surprisingly, even I too surprised when I looked into the curriculum, close passage will be there, gap filling will be there, editing will be there. I think you can see here, a bar is there, or you may have close passage or gap filling or editing. It is for 4 marks. Earlier what we used to do, what we used to write, your seniors 10th class children, these are all the separate. Error and correction will be there, that is for 4 marks. Gap filling will also be there, that is for 4 marks. And one more, rearranging the sentences will also be there, that is also for 4 marks. But this year, any one you may get. Among these 3, any one you may get. Gap filling means no error and correction. Then close passage means this is also simple, like gap filling itself. See, any one you will get for 4 marks. Then coming to the next one, dialogue writing, reporting a dialogue on a given cue. That is, yes, 6 marks. That's why I told you activized and passivized and reported speech is very important, because they will, based on that activized and passivized or reported speech, they will ask you to report it. Dialogues will be given, different characters will be given, and you have to report it. I will tell you about that. Yes, coming to the last section, that is section C, literature textbook. We have 2 books for class 10, that is First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. Here the same thing, but extracts they have changed. Earlier 2 extracts will be given and 4 questions will be given, but this time, yes, extract may be given from prose, poetry or drama. 2 they will give, choice they will give, 1 you have to attend. And you can see here short answer type questions, and based on the interpretation, 2 into 2, 4 marks. That is, 2 questions will be given. They made it very easy for you. Since you write more, not 1 more questions will be there, 2 more questions will be there, 40 to 50 words you can use and you can write them. Then coming to the next one, 5 short answer questions will be there. Total 7 they will give, here 7 they will give, and 5 you have to attend, that is also 30 to 40 words. And here one more thing is 3 from First Flight and 2 from Footprints Without Feet. You have to attend 3 questions from the First Flight and 2 questions from the Footprints Without Feet. On the basis they will ask you the questions. Coming to the next one. This is a long answer question, 100 to 150 words. That is from First Flight, that is the main textbook. From there 2 questions will be asked, and among those 2, 1 you have to write, that is 100 to 50, 150 words you can use and you can write. And coming to the next one, Footprints Without Feet, also they will ask you 2 questions based on the plot itself they will ask. Compared to that one, this will be easy, and this is also for 8 marks. Total 80 marks package paper. And one more thing I haven't told you, story writing is also there, and it is not mentioned in the PPT. Yes, that also carries 10 marks. This is what your structure of the question paper and weightage of your class 10th language and literature. That's for total 80 marks. Yes, dear children, I have done my duty, that is I have put forth the weightage, question paper pattern, what will be there in the question paper and in this syllabus also, what you have to do. Yes, as I have already told you, first one is reading comprehension. So again I am telling you, refer to a newspaper or to a storybook or anything that is English writing. Part one paragraph is there, you just take out that, read that, you frame the question. One more question you frame, at least 5. You read it, you understand it, you will easily understand it, then you frame the questions, then you will become thorough in that reading part, and again writing part and all the parts, what to do and how to solve that, letter writing and many things will be there. In the upcoming videos I will tell you what to do and how to do. So this is the chance it was given by our principal, and first time we are presenting video lessons for you, that is online teaching, and please do watch this and at least refers to this presentation we have prepared today morning. This by looking into the curriculum we did it, so follow it and refer to it. Any doubts or any clarification, please contact in the group itself. Maybe group it may be difficulty for you and a lot of chaos will be there, so better you can contact individually also. If you want any doubts and clarification you want in the syllabus, you can do that. So practice well, read well, and upcoming days many videos will be presented in all the subjects. Refer to that. Yes, thank you.